This is Harshali teacher and today we are going to start English. Heartiest welcome to new academic year 2020 and 21. So students, this is your textbook. In this textbook there are 4 units. In the first units there are 5 lessons. In the second unit 6 lessons. In the third unit 4 lessons and the fourth unit 5 lessons are there. So today we are going to start with the Unit 1 first poem, that is Life. It is written by Charlotte Bronte. Okay, so we will start with the poem. First we will learn and see the what is central idea of the poem. Through the poem, Charlotte Bronte shares her views about the life. She observes that though life may be full of sorrow, this sorrow is temporary. Happiness is always around the corner. Problems don't last, but they teach us many valuable lessons which last of a lifetime, making us stronger and wiser. We should always be optimistic, that is positive, fearless, hopeful, courageous, and live life to the fullest. The poem, like most of her other works, reflects the difficult times Brune faced in her life. So now we will see the line by line explanation of the poem Life. First line, that is life believe is not a dream. So always we are saying that it is like a dream, but believe it is not like a dream. So dark as sages say. Always sages means sent. It is not too much difficult. Dark here it is a difficult. It is not too much difficult as the sages are saying, but it is a very interesting about the life. And if you come up with the obstacle and once you tackle with the difficulties, you will achieve your goals. You will definitely achieve your goals. Then in the third line, after little morning rain, oft means often. Sometimes morning time there will be a rain, but it foretells a pleasant day. Why you are becoming sad because of the rain? Sometimes it makes us pleasant. See students, sometimes early in the morning we get up and we see that raining is outside. But you know what? We feel that now our day is wasted, but it is not like that. Our day is not wasted. Sometimes it's give us the pleasantness in the day, and because of that we can do our work very enthusiastically. So here I have given the difficult word, that is oft means often, and foretelling means telling about the futures. Okay, and sages means sense. Write down these difficult words also. Now next line, sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Sometimes there are clouds of glooms. Clouds of gloom means here we can say that gloom means a sadness. Sometimes there is a sadness in our life, but we should not say that it is my life is now fully sad and now I cannot overcome the situation. But it is not like that, because after each sadness the happiness is going to come. It is in the corner of the some situation. If once you reach the corner you will got the happiness of the life, but these are transient all. Transient means temporary. So this is the transient, means the gloom, the sadness of the life, it is a temporary. See students, there is nothing is permanent. Happiness is also not permanent, and even the sadness is also not permanent. It is a cycle of our life. After a sadness we will get the happiness. After happiness we must be get the sadness also. So if the showers will make the roses bloom, so why we are saying that rain is a what sign of a sadness. It is not a sign of a sadness. Because of the showers of rain, the roses are blooming, and even we are getting the food because of the rain, we getting the water because of the rain. Oh, why laments its fall? So why you are thinking laments means regretting. Why you are regretting that? Because of the rain our day are getting wasted. We cannot say that our day is wasting over here. Okay, so next line tell us, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours are flit by. Flit by, fly away. Rapidly means very hurry, and very happily our happy moments are flit by. Suppose for example you are attending the party somewhere, so you will, maybe you are attending the party 4 to 5 hours, but what you are thinking, that now only I came and now the party is over. So that time we are enjoying the moments, and that enjoyable moments are end very easily. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. So you have to enjoy that happy moments before the fly. Transient. So now here are the happiest hard words. So that you also write down. Transient means temporary. Fleet by means move quickly. Gloom means sadness. Lament means expressing the regret about something. So now we'll go for the next line, that is, what though death at times steps in when the death will come, and what happened, and calls our best away. Who are the best away means our family members, sometimes our friends also. And if the death will come and our that death will call our family members, what though sorrow seems to win. And that time what happened, you become very sad. Maybe you are thinking, now nothing in my life, nobody is going to care me, why should I live my life? Over hope a heavy sway. Because this is the situation, that time you become very sad, and because of the becoming sad you cannot think about the happiness, and you have lose your all the hope. But yet hope again elastic spring. What happened? Because hope is having the elastic springs. Like for example, it has elastic, you know what elastic is also, what coming again into same situation. So if we stretch it, it come again in the same position. So like that only the hope is also having the elastic spring, and after some time you are come up with the sadness, and you start living your life very happily with the hope. Unconquered though she fell, and it is unconquered. Unconquered means nobody can conquer you, nobody can achieve success, or nobody can defeat you, and she does not fail. She here, the hope does not fail. Still buoyant are her golden wings, and because she is having the golden wings, still stronger to bear as well. Bear means she is taking you in on her golden wings, and take come up from that sadness, and again you start living your life manfully, fearlessly, the day of a trial beer, and because of the trial beer you got your success again. For gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair, and because of the hope you can again live your life very easily. So here again I have given the hard words. It is swim means controlling the influence. Quell means end. Despair means hopelessness. You end your hopelessness because of the hope. Then buoyant means that which can rise upwards. That hope is only the thing which you rise upward. Courage means strength, that your inner soul will take you for the courage. So in this way we have seen the poem. So thank you students. I'll give you the summary, and you will write down that summary in your notebook, and of course you have to solve the assignment given with this attachment of the PDF. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.